Hello everyone, we're preparing for the final stretch of the school year. Last year, due to being in the heart of the pandemic, students K through 5 were asked to keep their devices over the summer. This year, students will be asked to turn them in along with their carrying case and chargers. More details will follow in regards to how we intend to track the collection of the devices. With that being said, over the coming weeks, we will begin building the carts to have them ready for K-5 classrooms. For middle school, there are no changes and the devices will continue to go home with them. We'll continue our discussions on device distribution for next year. We have discovered that Google Docs offline extension is causing problems like Chromebooks to freeze, keyboard and mouse issues, and other performance-related issues. To address this, we are planning to block the app, so if you see any messages pertaining to this one, please do not be alarmed. If the offline feature remains in your list of extensions, you can remove it by clicking the puzzle icon shown here on the top right corner of your browser. Find the offline extension, click the 3 dots, and select Remove from Chrome. One of the most used features for me when I'm reading online is the zoom shortcut keys. Ctrl+ to zoom in, and Ctrl- to zoom out. You can also pinch in and out with your trackpad. Notice the zoom level on the address bar, and Ctrl-0 resets you back to 100%. Please stay alert for any suspicious emails and phishing attempts. Always be cautious when sending sensitive information over email, and use confidential mode in Gmail if you do. Stay safe on and offline, everyone. Take care.